Yeah. Listen to the pulse of the earth. I am Africa. Yeah, yeah. Feel the heat. Let's go.
Let's go to Momu.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh. Um, Ladies and gents, good afternoon. Hey, so you can see the boy misses his mom. You can't believe goats can tell if someone is new into the pet or not. But now, 5 things that you supposed to do if you want to keep your goats fresh and unique as possible. So obviously, the guy here, he is the father and the mother. So he's a pure breed, that one, 100% Budbok, and that 100% Boer goat. Um, One thing that goats also enjoy the most is that they enjoy um, eating greens. Although I feed my goats pellets, but you know what? I sometimes open for them to obviously come outside and eat greens. So let me go with this. Let's see what happens. Hey, this guy, I don't trust him. If he knocks that boy, he's dead. Oh, did you capture that? So these boys, those two are actually twins. They are 90 days old because it's exactly 3 months since they were born. 90 days old. I just wanna catch this guy by the horns. He's gonna come. He loves food. He loves food. This one. So this one, she's pregnant. Um, she's gonna give us twins. The black and white mom is actually heavily pregnant. She's visibly heavily pregnant. She's gonna give us twins also. The boys there at the corner, they actually belong to that mother next to them. But this is the father, the king. So you want to keep your goods fresh every time. I don't open these ones for grazing because this is my breeding stock. I'm actually cleaning a few genes here. So from the goods that I have, and a 100% Burbok, it's a Boer goat. It's 100% Boer goat. So what I'm doing is I'm washing the genes here. These guys are your first generation. So these are your F1s, these ones. If I mix them nicely as time continues, it will be easier for me to produce 100%. But I don't necessarily want to keep 100% in my pad, in terms of the entire stock, because then it has got some disadvantages. But if I keep crossing them this way, it has got higher advantages in that they are actually very much resistant for diseases and stuff like that. Very, very much resistant if you keep crossing them. So anytime you want to buy me a birthday gift, just buy me a goat. Just buy me a goat, nothing else. Just buy me a goat, and then you would have actually touched my heart. If you buy me any other thing, it's fine. But if you wanna touch me in terms of a gift, you buy me a goat, any breed, as long as it's a goat. Just bring it here. I can be able to use it for what I want to do. So this is your F1. So I brought this breeding stock in this yard last year. That guy actually is less than 2 years, because I brought him here. He was 2 weeks old. I think it was in, if not mistaken, it was in September, September last year. That's when he came in. But see how big he has grown up. And these are the sons from him exactly. So I prefer getting females at this size so that I can mix up with him, um, to get to the journey that I want to with this stock. And I always say every time that, you know what, this is not the entire flock that I have. I keep the entire flock somewhere, but I literally want to I literally want to have this type of breed, so that when I reintroduce these ones, my journey can be quicker in terms of achieving the body structure that I want to produce and start supplying. Because with these guys, you can see the body size. Only 3 months is a boy. This one as well, 3 months is a boy. So, and I've got their father here, whom which I'm gonna do away with very soon. I'm just waiting for him to repeat himself in terms of reintroducing himself into the kids. So I've got a very good choice to do. So I literally can use these boys as my bucks into the other stock, um, so that I can easily achieve. This is a mango tree. These are the mango leaves. Before I start getting lessons as to why am I feeding my goats green leaves. So naturally, goats, when they are grazing, they are eating green leaves. Although it's advisable to put them in the sun a little bit, to wither before you can start feeding them. But this is not the primary food for them here. So I feed them with pellets. So pellets. So these are the good pellets that I feed my stock very with. Good. I buy in terms of nutrition. Protein, we can't talk about it. It's very high. You can see the flock. I mean, with 3 months, then you already have got a goat like this. This one is your normal um, goat. So like now I mixed it with 100%. So she's gonna give me an F1, 2 babies already, and then these ones as well. I mixed it with that one. So you can see that one is actually a cross female of a boer goat. So this is not necessarily your F1, but you can see I'm going there. What I want is just the body structure. A body structure like that one, the black and white one, I call her Orlando Pirates. She's Buccaneer, that one. All the boys must give me structures like this. The boys must give me structures like their father. Then you know. I love her, this one, because she came here very, very small and tiny. She was very tiny when she came here initially. But look, because we've been feeding her with proper nutrition, she's doing very well. Someone might actually ask as to whether I put medication for my goats. Not yet. I don't put medication at all. Why? Because I don't open for them to go graze. I bought all my goats, the breeding mothers and their father, in the same area in terms of climate. He is a fully grown goat now, but it's actually very small, 3 months old. I saw this one limping yesterday. I want to catch her and see what's happening. And I know now she's pregnant, so she's very sensitive. She wanna try and run, but I want this one. We blog come. Yes, sir. See how beautiful they look. She's limping, this one. These guys are twins. It is a camel. These guys are very beautiful. I'll go try to catch. They are scared of their father. Their father is standing. Wait. Bruh, nobody's killing you. I want to see what's happening here. Like it's all whining. Yeah. This way. Keep a little bit of this type of rubble for footing purposes. Goats are actually very much social in nature, right? So the playing is their thing. Playing is their thing. So they enjoy the play. They enjoy standing like that. These two, one and that one, they are sons. They are the sons of that big boy. That's our breeding back. Yes, boy. Keep eating. These ones, they were born here. That one is their mother. That one is their mother, and that's their father. They were born exactly here. You will think they are old, they are big goats. No. Look at the size of the horns. It will tell you these are actually very small babies. Very, very small babies. There is Bacania. She's gonna give us twins, this one. So the vet was here. I couldn't shoot. Our battery was down. The vet was here. She said that one is pregnant of twins. So before the end of this month of August, we'll definitely have grandkids. I'll have grandkids. Are they not beautiful? Are they not beautiful? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two boys out as soon as they start doing their thing. We're gonna take them out so that we leave their father here to avoid inbreeding. So we don't want them to mistaken their mother for a potential. We don't want them to do that. Are they not beautiful? Look how beautiful they are. I can spend the whole day here with these guys. I enjoy watching them play and do their thing because I started with that one alone in this crowd, and then I introduced him, and we bought the lady there, the mother of these boys, the twins. And yeah, look at where we are today. They look beautiful. I don't wanna lie. I love them. If you love them also, if you enjoy them, you know what to do in the comment section. Put a comment for us. Let's see where you're watching from. If you're enjoying them, what else you would like to see here. This guy is looking exactly at the camera now, blocking my view. Hey, Wena. Hey, move away. I want to see everyone, not only you. We know you. You know when someone knows he's handsome, in front of the camera, is doing the thing. So it's gonna keep producing for me. These are the first sons of this crowd. So the thing is, goats are not jealous. You feed them proper, they give you the thing you want, the results you want, you will get them. Look at the small boy there. He's so happy.